Tropical Climate Zone. The tropical climate zone, a vibrant band encircling Earth near the equator, is nature's year-round heat engine. Here, the sun's rays strike directly, creating a perpetual summer that shapes life in extraordinary ways. This zone is characterized by its consistency. High temperatures and abundant rainfall persist throughout the year. The lack of distinct seasons triggers unique adaptations in flora and fauna. Trees grow tall, competing for sunlight in dense rainforests, while animals develop specialized behaviors to cope with the constant heat and humidity. The tropical climate is Earth's most biologically diverse region, a testament to the power of consistent warmth and moisture. It's a crucible of evolution, where life experiments with countless forms and strategies. From the Amazon to the Congo, these regions are the planet's lungs, producing oxygen and regulating global weather patterns. However, this climate zone also faces significant challenges. Its abundant resources have made it a target for exploitation, leading to deforestation and habitat loss. Climate change threatens to disrupt its delicate balance, potentially altering global weather patterns. Understanding and preserving tropical climates is crucial for maintaining Earth's ecological equilibrium. Subtropical Climate Zone. The subtropical climate zone serves as a transitional realm between the tropics and temperate regions, offering a fascinating blend of warmth and seasonal variation. This zone, typically found between 23.5 degrees and 35 degrees latitude, showcases nature's gradual shift from eternal summer to more defined seasons. Subtropics are characterized by hot summers and mild winters, with rainfall patterns varying from wet summers and dry winters to year-round precipitation. This climate nurtures a diverse array of ecosystems, from lush evergreen forests to expansive grasslands and even some of the world's most famous deserts. The interplay of warm temperatures and seasonal changes in this zone has fostered unique adaptations. Many subtropical plants, for instance, have developed strategies to conserve water during dry periods while capitalizing on wet seasons for growth. Animals in these regions often exhibit a mix of tropical and temperate characteristics. Civilization has long been drawn to subtropical climates. Many of the world's oldest civilizations emerged in these regions, attracted by the balance of favorable growing conditions and manageable seasonal changes. Today, some of the world's fastest-growing cities are in subtropical zones, presenting both opportunities and challenges for sustainable development.
Click subscribe to this channel to get more topics you love.
Temperate Climate Zone. The temperate climate zone, nature's masterclass in balance and change, occupies the middle latitudes between tropics and polar regions. This zone is Earth's seasonal showcase, where the annual dance of spring, summer, autumn, and winter plays out in its fullest expression. Characterized by moderate temperatures and distinct seasons, temperate climates foster an incredible diversity of plant and animal life. The changing seasons drive a complex rhythm of growth, dormancy, migration, and adaptation. Deciduous forests, emblematic of many temperate regions, demonstrate this beautifully with their annual cycle of leafing, blooming, and shedding. This climate zone has been pivotal in human history. Its favorable conditions for agriculture and its seasonal challenges that spur innovation have made it a cradle of technological and cultural development. The temperate zone's varying energy needs throughout the year have also driven advancements in housing, clothing, and energy production. However, temperate regions are not immune to climate change. Shifting weather patterns are altering growing seasons, affecting both natural ecosystems and agriculture. As these changes accelerate, the adaptability fostered by seasonal variations may prove crucial for species survival and human resilience. Mediterranean Climate Zone. The Mediterranean Climate Zone, a global rarity occurring in just 5 regions worldwide, offers a captivating study in climatic poetry. Characterized by warm, dry summers and mild, wet winters, this climate type creates a unique stage for life to flourish in unexpected ways. Found primarily along the western edges of continents between 30 degrees and 45 degrees latitude, Mediterranean climates are shaped by complex interactions between land, sea, and atmospheric circulation patterns. The resulting environment is a paradox of abundance and scarcity, where life must adapt to thrive during dry summers and take full advantage of wet winters. This climate has given rise to some of the world's most distinctive and resilient ecosystems. Plants in these regions often feature tough, waxy leaves to conserve water, and many are aromatic, filling the air with the scents of herbs like rosemary and thyme. The animal life is equally adapted, with many species estivating during the hot, dry summers. Cultures in Mediterranean climates have developed intricate relationships with their environment, reflected in everything from architecture designed to stay cool in summer and warm in winter, to cuisines that make the most of seasonal produce. These regions, with their pleasant climate, have also become global hotspots for tourism and retirement, presenting both economic opportunities and environmental challenges. Desert Climate Zone. The Desert Climate Zone, Earth's ultimate testament to extremity and adaptation, covers about 1/3 of the planet's land surface. These arid realms, where rainfall is scarce and evaporation outpaces precipitation, showcase life's remarkable resilience and ingenuity. Deserts are defined by their lack of water, but this simplicity belies their complex nature. From scorching hot days to freezing nights, and from rocky plateaus to shifting sand dunes, deserts present a diverse array of challenging environments. This extreme variability has driven the evolution of some of the most specialized plant and animal adaptations on Earth. Life in the desert is a masterclass in efficiency. Plants like cacti have evolved to store water, minimize water loss, and photosynthesize with minimal exposure to the harsh sun. Animals exhibit a range of adaptations, from the kangaroo rat's ability to survive without drinking water to the camel's famous humps for fat storage. Deserts also play a crucial role in Earth's systems. Their significant carbon sinks influence global weather patterns, and even fertilize distant rainforests with wind-blown dust. As climate change threatens to expand some desert regions, understanding these ecosystems becomes increasingly vital for global environmental management. Semi-Arid Climate Zone. The semi-arid climate zone, a transitional realm between deserts and more humid environments, offers a fascinating study in nature's balancing act. These regions, receiving more rainfall than true deserts but still too little to support lush vegetation, showcase life's adaptability in the face of water scarcity. Characterized by hot summers and cool winters, semi-arid climates experience just enough precipitation to support drought-resistant vegetation like grasses and shrubs. This creates unique ecosystems such as savannas and steppes, where life has evolved remarkable strategies to thrive in conditions of intermittent water availability. The semi-arid zone is a crucible of evolutionary innovation. Plants here often have deep root systems to access underground water, while animals have developed behaviors to conserve water and energy. Many species in these regions are opportunistic, able to rapidly capitalize on brief periods of rainfall. Human civilizations in semi-arid regions have long grappled with the challenges of water scarcity, developing sophisticated irrigation systems and water management practices. Today, these areas are at the forefront of climate change impacts, facing increased desertification risks. Understanding and preserving semi-arid ecosystems is crucial for maintaining biodiversity and supporting human populations in these vulnerable regions. Continental Climate Zone. The continental climate zone, a realm of extremes and dramatic seasonal shifts, dominates the interiors of large landmasses. This climate type showcases nature's capacity for transformation, with scorching summers giving way to frigid winters in an annual cycle of rebirth and dormancy. Defined by its distance from moderating ocean influences, continental climates experience wide temperature swings both daily and seasonally. Summers are hot, winters are cold, and precipitation is moderate but variable. This climatic roller coaster has shaped unique ecosystems and driven remarkable adaptations in flora and fauna. The plants and animals of continental zones are masters of versatility. Deciduous trees shed leaves to conserve energy during harsh winters, while many animals hibernate or migrate to cope with seasonal extremes. The short, intense growing seasons of these regions have also influenced human agriculture, leading to the development of fast-maturing crop varieties. Continental climates have played a significant role in human history, challenging and shaping civilizations. The need to prepare for long, cold winters has driven technological innovations in housing, food preservation, and energy production. As climate change alters temperature and precipitation patterns, continental regions face new challenges, potentially reshaping ecosystems and human activities in these vast interior lands. Polar Climate Zone. The polar climate zone, Earth's icy crown, represents the planet's most extreme environment. Encompassing the Arctic and Antarctic regions, this zone is a testament to life's tenacity in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges. Characterized by long, frigid winters and short, cool summers, polar climates receive little precipitation, ironically qualifying them as cold deserts. The defining feature is the persistence of ice and snow, creating a landscape that appears hostile to life but is, in fact, teeming with specialized organisms. Life in polar regions has evolved extraordinary adaptations. Animals like polar bears and penguins have developed insulating layers of fat and specialized circulatory systems to withstand the cold. Plants are often small and hardy, hugging the ground to avoid harsh winds and maximize heat absorption. Polar climates play a crucial role in Earth's systems, influencing global ocean currents and serving as key indicators of climate change. The rapid warming of these regions is causing alarming ice melt, threatening not only local ecosystems but also global sea levels and weather patterns. Understanding and preserving polar environments is vital for maintaining Earth's delicate climatic balance and biodiversity. Alpine Climate Zone. The Alpine Climate Zone, nature's vertical laboratory, demonstrates how altitude can create a world apart. Found on mountains worldwide, this climate type compresses Earth's latitudinal climate variations into a few thousand meters of elevation, offering a unique window into climate dynamics. Defined by cold temperatures, high precipitation, often as snow, and dramatic daily temperature fluctuations, alpine climates create challenging conditions for life. As elevation increases, temperature decreases and winds intensify, shaping distinct ecological zones or life bands on mountainsides. Plants and animals in alpine regions have evolved remarkable strategies to survive. Many plants grow in compact, low forms to resist wind and cold, while some animals have developed specialized respiratory and circulatory systems to cope with thin air at high altitudes. Alpine zones are critical to global water cycles, acting as natural reservoirs by storing water as snow and ice and releasing it gradually. They're also early indicators of climate change, with shifting treelines and melting glaciers providing visible evidence of warming temperatures. Preserving these unique and fragile ecosystems is crucial, not just for their biodiversity, but for their role in regional water supply and as early warning systems for global climate shifts. Oceanic Climate Zone. The Oceanic Climate Zone, nature's moderating influence, is a testament to the sea's power to temper terrestrial extremes. Found primarily along western coasts in mid-latitudes, this climate type showcases the intricate dance between ocean and atmosphere. Characterized by mild temperatures year-round and consistent precipitation, oceanic climates are shaped by warm ocean currents and prevailing westerly winds. The result is a remarkably stable environment, where temperature extremes are rare and rainfall is reliable. This climatic stability fosters lush, green landscapes. Temperate rainforests, emblematic of oceanic climates, showcase an incredible diversity of plant life. The consistent moisture supports a rich understory and abundant moss and lichen growth. Animals in these regions often lack the extreme adaptations seen in more variable climates, reflecting the environment's relative constancy. Societies in oceanic climate zones have long benefited from the mild conditions, which support extended growing seasons and reduce the need for extreme seasonal adaptations. However, these regions face unique challenges from climate change, including increased storm intensity and shifting precipitation patterns. The oceanic climate zone serves as a vital buffer in Earth's climate system, making its preservation crucial for global climatic stability. Monsoon Climate Zone. The monsoon climate zone, nature's grand annual spectacle, demonstrates the profound influence of wind patterns on regional weather. Primarily associated with tropical and subtropical regions, monsoon climates are characterized by dramatic seasonal shifts in wind direction and precipitation. The defining feature of monsoon climates is the annual cycle of dry and wet seasons. This pattern results from the differential heating of land and sea, creating a massive seasonal reversal of winds. The wet season brings torrential rains, often accounting for the majority of the year's precipitation in just a few months. Life in monsoon regions has evolved to capitalize on these extreme fluctuations. Many plants lie dormant during the dry season, bursting into rapid growth with the arrival of the rains. Animals often time their breeding cycles to coincide with the abundance brought by the wet season. Civilizations in monsoon zones have developed intricate relationships with this climate, reflected in agriculture, architecture, and cultural practices. The monsoon's reliability has historically been crucial for agriculture, but climate change is altering these patterns, posing significant challenges. Understanding and adapting to changes in monsoon systems is vital for the billions of people who depend on them for water and agriculture.